We patted dry this whole chickens, and we oiled it up, and we're just putting a little bit of this, dusting the top, gives just a little bit more flavor on the outside of the skin, and help it crisp up a little bit. Nice little color action, and you notice if you do it from higher up right here, all right, instead of right here, it's going to be concentrated, but up here it evenly distributes over all the pieces in that general area that you want, which is a professional technique most amateur cooks don't know.